Hey guys, this is John in the Cutting Edge Garage, and today we're working on my 1991 Mazda Miata. I am getting ready for a wide body rocket bunny install. As you can see, we have all the holes drilled already. Not the best job, but it's okay. They're gonna be filled in later with a nutsert. But today we're gonna do the cutting of the fender. So you can see we marked the line to where it's gonna be cut all across. And we're gonna use our little nifty SP Air saw, which is actually a beast. It is super fast, super quick, and super reliable. This thing offers 5,300 strokes per minute. I mean, it cuts like this through butter. It weighs only 1.3 pounds, which is perfect. You know, you don't get tired when you're moving it around and stuff like that. It is made in Japan, so you know it is made with the best, utmost metals and quality. And it also does offer a variable speed trigger. So you can see this off. You can press it just a little bit, and it will alter the actual speed. So that is another nifty part. So if you're halfway through a cut and you need to adjust or make a little fix, that should help you there. So you're not having to pull out and readjust every time. You can just keep it there and keep going. Like I said, it's all about time. The faster you can do things, the better. So we're gonna just get a little cut in here and get this started. Probably should have put the glasses on first, but who cares? Okay guys, so we finished the Miata. Looks great. And once again, I do want to say this is probably my favorite tool so far that we have used in our videos. This is the SP-7610 Air Saw. I mean, it's great. It's got variable speed on the trigger. You can change the speed here. You can buy this blade from us too also. And I will put the part number and the link to that down there, of course, in the description. But thank you for watching again, and we'll see you guys next time in the Cutting Edge Garage.